Hey guys, so I wanted to put this video in for you guys because I wanted to talk to you guys about the videos. Now, we know that I've been putting up a video Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I told you guys that I was going to be doing that consistently until I figure some things out. So what I'm thinking is that I want to do Tuesday and Saturday, or either Tuesday and Friday. What days you guys think? Loading consistently 3 videos a week is a lot, especially when I'm doing a lot of traveling right now. So I wanted to just get you guys feedback. I wanted to do a live, but this is what I want to do. This is going to be something special for you guys. I'm going to do a live, and on that live, we may be doing that Saturday. Let's go and shoot for Saturday evening. That's what I'm thinking, that we'll do a live, and on that live I'll be either I'll be repotting some things that I propagated. That's what I'll do on the live. You guys interested in that? Let me know. Or I'll do a propagation, repotting, or I can talk more about some of my plants, or give you like a plant tour of where my plants are in my house or something like that. I don't know. Give me some feedback below. This channel is a how to save money, how to do things yourself, and basically just sharing different ways to make your life easier. This is not a vlog channel. This once was a different channel, and I just felt I needed to move in another direction because I know what I love doing, and that's helping people and sharing things. So if you're new to this channel, please feel free to go through and do some binge watching, because your girl has all types of videos, from recipes to DIYs in your homes, building stuff, refinishing stuff. I have a lot of videos, thousands of videos on this channel. So share the channel. If you are actually new to the channel and you want to join my family, you can join that by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them below and I definitely will get back to you. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Something like a propagation or something like that, and talk more about my plants and just chat with you guys. As you know, I have a lot of different plants that I'm in love with, and I want to share them with you. I did unboxings, but talk a little bit more about the care and what I've been doing to keep them thriving. Because like some of you would say in the comments, I have a brown thumb, I have a black thumb. I used to have that as well. So I fell in love even more since the relocating. I fell in love even more with the plants, and being that I'm an earth sign, I mean, just having them around is just amazing for me. Yeah, just sharing a little bit of them. So yeah, that's what I'm deciding to do. I think that this Saturday I'll do something where I do a live with me planting some propagated leaves that I took from another plant, and that's what we're gonna do. So tell me below why you came to this channel, what you like about this channel. If you're new to this channel, what sparked your interest in this channel, and then we'll go from there, because I'm trying to think. I don't want to minimize it to 1 video a week, but I know at least 2, and I'm thinking either Tuesday and Saturday or Tuesday and Friday. Tell me what you guys think. Yeah, and we'll go from there. And some of my babies. All right, guys, I'm waiting on your feedback. All right, talk to you guys later, gators.